Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. It is hexagon. It is triangle. It is trapezoid. It is heart. It is seven-pointed star. It is pentagon. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is blue color. It is pink color. It is red color. It is orange color. It is light green color. It is yellow color. Now let us color the shapes. It is blue color. It is hexagon. It is yellow color. It is equilateral triangle. It is pink color. It is pink color. It is trapezoid. It is red color. It is heart. Orange color. It is seven-pointed star. It is green color. It is pentagon. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is hexagon, blue color, equilateral triangle, yellow color, trapezoid, pink color, heart red color, 7-pointed star orange color, pentagon green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.